This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set a stop loss in Thinkorswim. This crucial tool helps manage your trading risk by automatically closing a position if the market moves against you. To begin, navigate to your Thinkorswim platform. You can either right-click on an existing position in your Monitor tab or go to the Trade tab to initiate a new order. From there, you will open the order entry window to start the process. Once the order entry window is open, you will define your stop price. This is the critical price point where you want your order to activate. You'll choose between a stop market order, which aims to execute immediately at the best available price once triggered, or a stop limit order, which becomes a limit order at a specified price after triggering. Remember to confirm the correct quantity of shares or contracts for your stop loss. Thinkorswim offers advanced options to enhance your risk management. A trailing stop can be incredibly useful, as it adjusts your stop price automatically as the market moves favorably, helping to lock in gains. You can also utilize one cancels other or OCO orders, which allow you to place both a stop loss and a profit target simultaneously. If one executes, the other is automatically canceled. For order duration, good till canceled is a popular choice. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review all the details of your stop loss order. Double-check the stop price, quantity, and order type to ensure everything is correct. Once you are confident, click Confirm and Send. Remember, a stop market order guarantees execution, but not a specific price. If market conditions change, you can easily modify or cancel your working stop loss order from the Monitor tab on your platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.